All right, everyone, welcome to Module 7. You're finally at the end here. So Module 7 is a little bit different because it's not necessarily a chapter tied to the material. Instead, we're going to talk about globalization as a whole. And so what you're going to do is you're going to do a little bit of research, look at some information and materials to learn out what globalization is. But I'll give you a little bit of a preview. So globalization is the growing interconnectedness and interdependencies of our different economies. So it's the connection between the United States economic system and China's economic system and Germany's economic system and Brazil's economic system, and looking at how all of these economies are working together and how we need to consider all of them when we take a look at how the economy is doing and how the economy is doing it as a whole and interacting with one another. And so there's a different drivers related to globalization, such as technology, economic liberalization, market integration, political agreements, political disagreements, political ideologies. Those things are going to impact how the economy is and how it interacts with one another. So when we look at the economic impact of the world, we need to look at what's going on in all these other countries in order to understand what's happening to us and how the government impacts that, how different cultures impact that, right? Because different cultures exchange ideas and values, right? We learn from one another and we grow with one another, whether it be within our same country or across an entire ocean. We learn from one another. And a lot of times we actually start to adapt with what one another is doing. Because if we see another country doing something really, really well, you know what? Maybe we should sort of try and replicate that. It doesn't happen all the time. It's not a perfect system, of course, but we need to look at all those things. On top of that, this week you're working on your final project. So make sure you're reviewing the final and what goes along with that. All right, if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. This is a shorter week, so I want you guys to make sure you have enough time to get everything done. All right, thanks everyone. I hope you enjoyed the course and I hope you have a wonderful day.